So I hate partying, I barely drink alcohol, but Albania has this magical energy and we're all super sober on this boat and these are the vibes.
I will start with Albanian song.
Oh yes, okay.
Habibi!
We made it to the secret cave. Look at this! Am I gonna turn into a mermaid? Look how blue this water is! Oh my god! We've now docked on a secret beach. You can only get here by boat. Look at this. I love you guys! We're about to do some breathwork and spiritual shit in the sea. It's so deep, but he said there's no sharks, so I think it's okay. Look at the sunset. Go! I love Albania. I'm so fucking happy.